What do you enjoy most about baseball?
I enjoy hitting the ball and running around the bases.
How do you prepare before a baseball game?
I stretch, warm up, and practice my swings before the game.
Where do you usually play baseball?
I usually play baseball at the local sports ground.
What position do you like to play in baseball?
I like to play as a pitcher because it's exciting.
What do you wear when playing baseball?
I wear a cap, gloves, and comfortable sports shoes.
What does he do before stepping onto the field?
He practices pitching and checks his glove.
How does she feel after hitting a home run?
She feels proud and full of energy after hitting a home run.
What do they do after winning a baseball game?
They celebrate together and thank their coach.
What makes him a good baseball player?
His focus, speed, and teamwork make him a good player.
What time do players usually start their practice?
Players usually start their practice early in the morning.
What helps a pitcher throw accurately?
Strong arms and focus help a pitcher throw accurately.
Where does the catcher stand during the game?
The catcher stands behind the batter to catch the pitches.
What does the umpire do in baseball?
The umpire watches the game and makes fair decisions.
What do coaches teach in baseball practice?
Coaches teach batting, fielding, and teamwork.
What happens when a player hits the ball far?
The player runs fast to reach the next base.
What kind of gloves do players use?
Players use leather gloves to catch the ball safely.
What does teamwork mean in baseball?
Teamwork means supporting each other to win the game.
How do players improve their batting skills?
Players improve by practicing swings regularly.
What happens when the ball goes out of the park?
It becomes a home run for the batter.
What makes baseball exciting to watch?
Fast pitches and home runs make it exciting to watch.
What does the scoreboard show during the game?
It shows runs, strikes, outs, and innings.
What do fans do during a baseball match?
Fans cheer loudly and wave flags for their team.
How do players stay focused during long games?
Players stay focused by concentrating and staying calm.
What does the coach remind players before the game?
The coach reminds them to stay positive and play fair.
What happens when the batter misses the ball?
It counts as a strike against the batter.
What does the pitcher aim for?
The pitcher aims to throw the ball into the strike zone.
What makes fielding difficult sometimes?
Fast hits and strong wind make fielding difficult.
What do players drink during breaks?
Players drink water or energy drinks to stay hydrated.
What does a catcher wear for safety?
A catcher wears a helmet, mask, and chest protector.
What helps players stay fit for baseball?
Regular exercise and a healthy diet help them stay fit.
What kind of bat is used in baseball?
Players use a wooden or metal bat to hit the ball.
What does the outfield cover?
The outfield covers the area beyond the infield bases.
What makes a team strong in baseball?
Good coordination and practice make a team strong.
What happens when 3 strikes occur?
The batter is declared out after 3 strikes.
What does a home run mean in baseball?
A home run means the batter runs all the bases and scores.
What helps players catch high balls easily?
Strong hands and quick reflexes help catch high balls.
What does a good coach always focus on?
A good coach focuses on discipline and teamwork.
How does practice help baseball players?
Practice builds accuracy, speed, and confidence.
What do young players dream about in baseball?
They dream of playing in the major league.
What does the umpire shout when the ball is fair?
The umpire shouts, "Play ball," when the ball is fair.
What happens when the batter hits a foul ball?
It counts as a strike unless the batter already has 2.
What do players do after catching the ball?
They throw it quickly to another base.
What helps a team defend better?
Communication and awareness help a team defend better.
What does the dugout provide for players?
The dugout provides rest and shade between innings.
What makes a batter confident?
Good timing and focus make a batter confident.
What kind of uniform do baseball players wear?
They wear jerseys, caps, pants, and cleats.
What happens when a runner steals a base?
The runner reaches the next base before being tagged out.
What does a strong pitcher rely on?
A strong pitcher relies on accuracy and power.
What happens when the ball is caught in the air?
The batter is out immediately.
What helps improve hand-eye coordination?
Batting practice helps improve hand-eye coordination.
What do players shout while playing?
They shout to communicate and warn each other.
What kind of weather is best for baseball?
Clear and dry weather is best for baseball.
What happens when two teams tie the game?
They play extra innings to decide the winner.
What do spectators enjoy most?
They enjoy home runs and exciting plays.
What does every player need to respect?
Every player needs to respect the umpire and rules.
What kind of strategy helps win close games?
Smart fielding and strong pitching help win close games.
What makes defense important in baseball?
Defense prevents the other team from scoring runs.
What happens when the batter walks?
The batter moves to first base without hitting.
What does a double play mean?
It means two players are out in one play.
What does the first baseman do?
He catches throws near first base to get runners out.
What helps players perform well under pressure?
Calmness and experience help them perform well.
What does every team aim for in a match?
Every team aims to score more runs than the opponent.
What happens when a runner gets tagged?
The runner is called out by the umpire.
What makes baseball a team sport?
Every player's effort contributes to the team's success.
What does the pitcher's mound look like?
It's a raised area in the center of the field.
What kind of skill does a batter need?
A batter needs timing, strength, and focus.
What does the scoreboard display?
It displays runs, strikes, outs, and innings.
What does good communication do in a game?
It prevents confusion and improves teamwork.
What do players do after the game ends?
They shake hands and thank each other.
What kind of training improves throwing speed?
Arm strength and resistance training improve throwing speed.
What makes base running important?
Base running helps score runs and win games.
What happens when the pitcher throws a wild pitch?
The runners can advance to the next base.
What helps in quick decision making?
Practice and focus help in quick decision making.
What does a baseball glove do?
It protects the hand and helps catch the ball easily.
What happens when the ball hits the batter?
The batter gets a free walk to first base.
What does stamina mean for players?
It means having energy to play all 9 innings.
What helps players stay motivated?
Encouragement and teamwork keep them motivated.
What does the shortstop do?
The shortstop catches ground balls and throws to bases.
What kind of ball is used in baseball?
A small white leather ball with red stitches is used.
What helps in improving pitching accuracy?
Regular drills and focus on form improve accuracy.
What do fans love the most in a match?
Fans love long home runs and close finishes.
What does every beginner learn first?
Every beginner learns how to throw and catch properly.
What happens when a fielder misses the ball?
The runner gets more time to reach the base.
What makes hitting a fastball difficult?
The high speed and timing make it difficult.
What do coaches expect from players?
Coaches expect effort, discipline, and teamwork.
What does the term inning mean?
An inning is a period where both teams bat once.
What does every player do between innings?
They rest, drink water, and discuss strategies.
What makes baseball different from cricket?
Baseball has shorter innings and faster gameplay.
What helps a team recover from a loss?
Learning from mistakes helps them recover.
What kind of attitude helps in baseball?
A positive and patient attitude helps in baseball.
What happens after hitting a grand slam?
The team scores 4 runs in one play.
What does the term strike zone mean?
It's the area where pitches must pass to count as strikes.